Hey guys! So today I have two tops from EXLURA. I have a crew neck color block t-shirt and a floral sweatshirt. So here is the color block t-shirt. I love this. This is my favorite. It has some really nice details. It has a nice pocket. I've always wanted a shirt with a pocket, especially a red pocket. And it has a ragline sleeve. You usually don't see this with a lot of clothing products and stuff. Like it's really, really unique. The fabric is so soft. Just inside, outside, very, very soft. And it's not too sheer either. Like you find stuff nowadays, it's sheer or thin or it breaks easily, tear actually. And it's cotton polyester spandex blend, so it has a lot of stretch to it. This is called wine red, and the same style comes in navy blue, light blue, and pink as well. So I'll show you what this looks like on me in a little bit. This is the other top I have. It's a pullover hoodie. And as you can see, it's pink and gray floral. It also comes with navy blue and floral as well if you don't want gray. The label says it is cotton, polyester, and alpaca blend. All the percentages you can find on the back of this tag. There's actually a lot of information on this tag. It's so soft and very, very stretchy as well. The front has kangaroo pockets as well. You can put your phone in, anything you want to hold as well. It's nice, it's roomy. The hoodie has, the hood part actually, has the drawstrings to adjust to whatever size you want, especially if it's cold. You want to pull them all the way in to make sure your ears don't get cold. Both of these shirts that I have here are machine washable. So I'm going to put them on and show you what they look like. So this t-shirt is very, very comfortable. It looks good front and back. It feels good against my skin. I really, really like this shirt. The sleeves are long. I can even roll them up if I want. And they're not too tight. Like I have issues because my shoulders are large and my arms are slightly big. I have issues with tight sleeves, so this is nice. The neck opening is really large too. Didn't mess my hair up when I put this on, so that's good. So I guess I'll try on the hoodie as well. So this is the sweatshirt. This also feels comfortable, soft. It's not too heavy. The sleeves are long enough as well. I could fit this with jeans or leggings as well. It's easy to care for and a great addition to your wardrobe. It doesn't seem to wrinkle or anything like that. I often don't like pink or floral things that much, but I really do like this because it's gray. It actually isn't my style, but I do like this a lot, actually. EXLURA carries other clothing on their website as well, and they have on Amazon and their own personal website, just to clarify. Check out the description section below to find out more information. Also, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment below. We appreciate your likes and comments very much. Thanks for watching.